Good morning, guys. Today we're in the kitchen garden, but we're not planting. We're talking about one of the best loved fruits, strawberries. So it's a great time of year to talk about this because it's coming into strawberry season, and we've got some fantastic strawberry pots that have just arrived, 3 different sizes. Now, strawberries require an open, sunny position. Today I thought I might put up one of these smaller pots which are ideal for little hands and children. We've got a really good variety of strawberries at the moment. We've got little small alpine strawberries which are really sweet. We've got Fragoo and Holman strawberries, sweethearts over here, and pinkies and sweeties and ruby reds. So I'm just going to plant this little pot up with the little seedlings because it's a better size for that. If you're planting strawberries in the garden, you need to give them at least 15 centimeters between plants. And planting now, as we said, is an ideal time because when spring comes, you'll get the first lot of flowers and then fruit. And that is the time when, if in the garden, you need to mulch. The mulching protects the fruit, or keeps the fruit clean and protects the roots from the sun. Once they start to fruit, you keep them well picked because this encourages the more fruiting and you'll get a better harvest, and that should probably happen for around a good 3 months. As the weather warms up, your strawberry plants themselves will start to suffer a little bit in midsummer, which is when they will really benefit from a feed of blood and bone. Okay, so we've just potted this little pot up with 2 different varieties. As mentioned, the alpine around the bottom and the Fragoo at the top. As you can see, the flower is actually really beautiful, and out of the center comes the little strawberry. So then when the strawberries grow a little bit more, they hang down over the side, which is why these pots are designed the way that they are, and it's not necessary to mulch them like you would do in the garden to keep the fruit clean. Not only are strawberries delicious for us, but they're delicious for lots of other things as well. Insects have a great time with them. The snails and the slugs are often a problem as well. A natural way of deterring them is to dry out your eggshells and crumble them and put them around the strawberries, because obviously they don't like going across the broken sharp shell. Another alternative is companion planting, and the traditional choice of herb for strawberries is borage. Borage is a fantastic choice for strawberries because it releases trace elements into the soil which are a benefit to the strawberries. It's an incredibly powerful pollinator and attracts beneficials to the garden. And as you can see in this photo, it has really beautiful, delicate little blue flowers, which are said to taste like cucumber and are also great for decorating cakes and cupcakes or salads. If you don't have a veggie garden or don't want to plant your strawberries into a strawberry pot, you might have an old hanging basket at home which you can utilise. Strawberry plants themselves are an incredibly pretty plant just on their own. They make a fantastic edging for garden beds. I've also seen them mass planted under roses, which I have to say looked quite magical.